Hi, this is John, and we are going to go over piano accompaniment number 6. Now, these piano patterns, chord patterns, rhythm patterns, whatever you want to call them, these are for beginners. They're fairly easy. So if these are too easy for you, just hang in there. Eventually, we'll get into more complicated patterns. You can use these patterns as accompaniment to accompany a singer, to accompany yourself as you sing, or to accompany as a band member. If you're part of a church group or a band, orchestra, and you need to play chord background, you can use these patterns. So these are really easy patterns, patterns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And today we're going over number 6. We're taking very easy songs. On my first two videos, we did what's called a one-chord song. All you played was one chord. First video we had Row, Row, Row Your Boat, one chord, and then the second video we did Brother John, Are You Sleeping, Brother John? On this video, we're going to take a two-chord song, and we're taking Down in the Valley. This is for beginners, really easy songs. Now, later on, we'll have 4 or 5 chord songs. Just hang in there and follow this incremental teaching. We're taking it in baby steps. Now, we are going to use an F chord and a C chord. So the F chord we're going to use is like this. See, this is F in the root position, and then this would be F in the second inverted position, and then F in the third inverted position. So this would be the third inverted position like this, F chord. And so in the previous songs, we used F chord in the root position. So F was a lowest note in the root position, F, A, and C. But in this inverted position, we're taking the C over here and dropping it down over here below the F. So C, F, and A. And the fingers you want to use in the left hand would be your pinky on C, index finger on the F, and your thumb on A. That's the correct fingering for that position, inverted chord position. Now the fingering for the F chord in this inverted position for the right hand is different. It's kind of an opposite type of fingering to your opposite of your left hand. So in your right hand, your thumb will be playing C, and then your middle finger plays F, pinky plays A. So it feels kind of awkward, but that's what you want to do. And the other chord we're going to use will be C in the root position. C, E, and G, C, E, and G. So when you play the cadence is going back and forth between chords, the chord progression. So this cadence, like C chord, F chord, C chord, F chord, you want to be able to do that back and forth. But it's kind of hard to do because you're using different fingers. It's not symmetrical. But practice that. So practice with one hand first. Here you're changing between the middle and index finger. Middle finger on C, then index finger on F. The right hand's different. You see you have middle finger here, and then middle finger over there. So your fingering is different between left and right hand. Anyhow, so the pattern we're going to use is a very simple 3/4 time pattern, 3 beats per measure. It's like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look at the sheet music to this, Down in the Valley. So I think you can see this. And we have over here, we have a dotted half note, gets 3 counts. The right, that plays the left hand. Left hand plays the bottom chord. And then your right hand plays the inverted F chord for a quarter note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's left hand, right hand, right hand. Left hand, right hand, right hand. It's a steady beat. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you were to sing this, it would sound something like this. valley so low. Hang your head over, hear that wind blow. Hear that wind blow, dear. Hear that wind blow. Hang your head over, hear that wind blow. Like I say, that is a beginning chord pattern, accompaniment pattern for 3/4 time, and then later on you can learn more difficult ones like this. Or one like this. Or one like this. So those are 3/4 time patterns. But right now, you can't learn those unless you learn the basic. It's kind of like the pa, pa. Let's get left, right, right. Steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can download this music at 100 different websites down in the valley. Download this sheet music on the internet. You can find it and print it up and in the key of F, and then practice using this chord pattern. Okay, before we finish, let me just play this song here. I recorded the chord structure. Okay, so I added a couple of other styles in there, a couple of other piano accompaniment patterns mixed in with this basic one, and which I'll be teaching you later on. So there are specific piano patterns for 3/4 time, 4/4 time, and 6/8 time, 2/4 time also. So this is a 3/4 time pattern, very basic. Learn it and download some simple songs like Amazing Grace, On Top of Old Smoky, Home on the Range. Those are songs in 3/4 time. All right, this is John signing off, and get ready for the next video. We will be going over piano accompaniment pattern number 7. All right, bye-bye for now.